Jatend piny Kenya Migosi William Ruto ne ogolo chik mondo mi jopuonjre duto mag grade 10 ma bende pok odonjo e skunde mag senior mondo mi odonjo e skunde go kachop odiochieng' ma kiny. Jatend piny onyiso ruodhi mondo mi one ni jopuonjre duto mag grade 10 odonjo e skunde kiny kata obedo ni gin kod omenda mar somo kod uniforms kata gionge godo.
Kabla ya watoto kufika shuleni, ile pesa ya capitation tulishatoa pesa bilioni 44 to facilitate a smooth transition from junior school to secondary school. Tumeambiwa ya kwamba kuna watoto wengi hawajaenda shuleni kwa sababu mzazi hana pesa ya kulipa school fees, mzazi hana pesa ya kulipa uniform. Mimi nataka nitangaze from Meru, na mimi nataka nimweleze every chief, kila mtoto apelekwe shuleni.
Ruto mabende lose kinde chenro machiwo omenda ne rowere mawuok e kaunti ma Meru, Embu kod Tharaka Nithi ebo agulu mar Nyota omedo ni jopuonjre go nyalo donjo e skunde mag senior ka gitiyo kod uniforms mag JSS kapod girito yudo mago mag senior schools.
Kama mtoto ako na uniform ya JSS, hiyo uniform ya JSS anaweza kwenda kutumia kwa secondary school akingojea mzazi wako apate pesa ya kununua uniform ya secondary school. I am directing that no child should remain at home because they do not have school fees. Wawe na uniform, wasiwe na uniform, waende shuleni tomorrow morning. Na mimi nataka chiefs, na assistant chiefs, na members of provincial administration, every child in Kenya must report to school tomorrow because we have provided the money to teach all our children.